Recording. Game 2.
Game 2. Craig cuts the deck. Joe cuts Craig's deck.
Josh, you're going to be the commentary.
Both players place the decks into the allocated deck zone.
Sort of. Or the graveyard.
Or where the graveyard should be, because they're pros. Joe draws 5 cards and has a very stern face.
Joe is a douchebag.
Craig uses an awful retort in order to throw off his opponent with mind games. Out comes the trooper.
What's this
bad
game?
Oh, dear.
Herpy
Hooper Trooper mills torrential heavy storm and light pulse fire dragon.
Looks like a
You
space.
should comment for the rest of the game.
Yes, please.
How am I going to do?
We'll get so many likes on YouTube.
You've got to do it.
Joe shuffles his hand. And again.
Oh god.
Putting people off
Set
by
one.
dropping their cards.
Special.
I should see that.
Craig special summons light pulse fire dragon from grave by sending Sangan and Lila to grave.
Deputy.
And
Craig
look me
ends
now,
his turn.
bitch.
Joe draws. Standby phase. Main phase. Smashing ground. Destroying light pulse fire dragon.
No target. It's fine.
Torgal from the underworld is summoned by Joe.
It's fine, carry on.
Effect activates. No response from Craig.
That's the best line. Effect. So I can't do it, I'm not deep enough.
Special summons Sangan from the deck.
This is where the game gets really intense.
Oh, you ruined it. You ruined it. Totally ruined it.
I'll stop now, Ryan. Thank you very much.
Thanks, YouTube.
Wind up carry Zen Mighty effect
Yeah,
activates.
go get your rabbit.
Joe, special summons from deck. Wind up Magician.
Meaning
Meaning
shark
only
in
one
hand.
thing.
There be a
One
shark in
card
hand. There be a shark in
Wind
hand.
up shark!
Go.
Special summons the shark, triggering the effect of Wind up Magician.
Bring out Hunter.
Bringing out Wind up Magician.
And at this moment,
And he lowers this.
Joe lowers the level of shark by 1.
That was
Which
deadly.
triggers the effect of the other Wind up Magician.
Got his face
And
and
he's
right
special
wings
summons
now
Wind up Hunter.
automatically.
what kind of fly?
You did massive fart.
Who was it?
I know.
Right.
Well, I did say, and when he thinks to himself,
I didn't realise that
Joe
was
activates the
happening.
effect of Wind Up Hunter, uses Zen Mighty to send 1 card and Craig's hand to the grave. Card Trooper. Another Zen Mighty is made, detaches the Hunter.
See, I told you I'd jinx you. I told you.
He's not done
I'm
yet.
playing Joe. Yeah.
The duel is still being played, Matthew. Have faith. Heart of the cards will guide Craig to victory. Hunter's effect triggers Zen Mighty to send the last card from Craig's hand to the grave. And it's a dark arm.
This is where the crowd goes what? Oh god, he went there.
Craig top decks Card of Sanctity. Both players draw until they have 6 cards in their hand.
In their hand.
In their hand.
You broke. He's broken. He got too excited.
Then plays Pot of Greed. Plays Polymers.
decided to anti-magic.
To fuse Dark Magician and
Yeah.
Matthew, put my cards down.
I'm just
now.
looking.
Why did you get that one actually?
That's not in this script.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's not
Special
good.
summons Wind Up Rabbit from deck.
Right.
Overlays for a rabbit fall with his 2 magicians. Into
Okay.
Maestro, the Symphony Gem.
Well,
Joe's favourite card of the day.
this is gonna be painful.
Wow.
Effect that
Rabbit attacks, the card trooper. Card trooper's effect activates. Craig draws 1 card.
You sit. Is that actually what you just drew?
Maestro hits for 1,800
Wow.
life points.
I told you I'd jinx you, I'm really sorry.
Zen Mighty hits for 50. Joe enters main phase 2, sets 2 cards and ends his turn.
Oh, he went there. Oh god, he did go there.
Craig draws.
Wow. Wow.
The decree has been activated. Craig looks at his grave as if he has a play to make.
He does have a play to make.
Dun dun dun!
Vanish. Lila. Sangan.
That's amazing.
That's not.
It is.
Don't talk to me ever again.
It's written it.
Craig analyzes the situation, noticing his game only leads to one thing, his eternal defeat.
3-9.
10 trap rabbit.
Shrink. No, okay. Fetch.
Rabbit bounces out the way because he's a little twat.
Immediate banning from YouTube for saying flat. Go.
The only mean pregnant goldfish.
Fences and gated on the side.
Rabbit returns to field. Summons another rabbit.
Is that American?
Effect of Maestro of the Symphony Jim flips Dark Flare Dragon into face down defense position.
What a dick.
Kills it with
Is
rabbit.
that enough for game?
Obviously puts that into 20.
Yeah.
Good. Carry on.
And attacks the rabbit down 3,200 points of damage with his two creatures.
Top deck BLS.
It's okay.
For the win.
Craig draws.
Damn, that shit is whack, man.
BLS.
Lila!
Oh.
Attempt to attack rabbit. Attempt to attack rabbit. No more to target the players. He's just got to book and moon it. Why would I bother?
Can you kill your own cards?
Is this game 2?
Craig notices that he has lost. Therefore, he turns it to defense and pops a back row.
End mill 3.
Joe's a wolf!
I bet you this is a BLS.
It's a wolf.
It's a wolf, yeah. I'll just start running the wolves. Just to rub this shit.
Rabbit.
Is that enough for game?
Remove the gates.
Got 500. Yep.
That's enough for game.
Draw.
Attack miracles.
That's game.
Next card, what's your next card? BLS. Oh!
Wouldn't
Oh,
matter.
yeah,
Rabbits
yeah.
just bounce out
That
of the way.
saves yourself a banish.
3.
See, this is
Game
this,
over.
you know that whole
The way
like
the
the
cookie
rabbit
crumbles.
bouncy business.